Get ready to test your brain with 40 general knowledge questions everyone should know. In this quiz, there's no multiple choice. You'll have to rely on memory. So if you're ready, let's get started. What is the fear of heights called? The correct answer is acrophobia, which natural disaster is measured using the Richter scale. It's used to measure earthquakes. How many hearts does an octopus have? They have 3 hearts. What does the U in USB stand for? It stands for universal. Which blood cells help fight infection? Correct. It's the white blood cells. What is the coldest place on Earth? The correct answer is Antarctica. What animal appears on the Ferrari logo? You got it. It's a horse. How long is a cat's pregnancy on average? It's about 9 weeks or 63 to 65 days. What is the only planet that rotates clockwise? The answer is Venus. Which is faster, sound or light? Light travels much quicker than sound. Which organ in the human body is capable of regenerating tissue? The correct answer is the liver. How many stripes are there on the U.S. flag? There are 13 stripes. What is the tallest mountain in the world? That would be Mount Everest. What is a group of lions called? They are called a pride. Where was ice cream first invented? It was invented in China. How many years are in a century? The answer is 100 years. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors. What is the hardest substance in the human body? The correct answer is tooth enamel. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? That would be cocoa beans. What color is the black box on an airplane? They are normally a bright color, like orange. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? That's right, it's carbon dioxide. How many degrees are in a full circle? The answer is 360 degrees. What is the largest organ in the human body? That would be the skin. What is the capital of India? The answer is New Delhi. Which bird can't fly but can swim? The answer is a penguin. Which country is credited for inventing paper? That would be China. Which famous artist cut off part of his own ear? That was Vincent van Gogh. Which planet is closest to the sun? The correct answer is Mercury. What is the largest country in the world by land area? That's right, you got it. Russia. What is the smallest country in the world? That would be Vatican City. What is the rarest blood type in humans? The answer is AB negative. Which ocean is the largest in the world? That would be the Pacific Ocean. Which planet has the most moons? Correct. It's Saturn. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. In which country is Angel Falls located? It's found in Venezuela. Which actor played Forrest Gump? That's correct. It was Tom Hanks. How many bones are in a human foot? The correct answer is 26. What are Canada's two national sports? Canada has both ice hockey and lacrosse. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? The chemical symbol is K. In math, what prime number comes after 3? The next prime number is 5.